Hospitals have never been busier, the demands from patients have never been greater, and within that, myself and my team are managing to support and encourage and promote vocational education. And the main aim of this to ensure that people are competent and have the knowledge to deliver excellent, consistent, quality patient care. Whether we're frontline staff, whether we're a nursing support worker and we're on the wards, everybody's role is essential. And so it's recognised that everybody does need training, everybody does need an assessment. You do need to know that everybody is working at a certain standard, and vocational qualifications are an excellent way of doing that. All the support workers in these massively diverse departments are now able to get qualifications in a way perhaps a few years ago wouldn't have been thought of.